Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys, do you have fresh milk at home? Like, do you have fresh milk at home? Yes, either fresh milk or powdered milk. Do you have it at home? Or do you have natural yogurt? The one you consume, natural yogurt, do you have it? Like the yogurt that doesn't contain any sweetener, do you have it? Oh, you do. Okay. Let's get right into the video and I will show you how you can use natural yogurt or fresh milk to get rid of wrinkles, to get rid of sunburn, to get smooth and flawless skin. I'll be showing you how you can use that to maintain your youthful glow. If you're 50 after using this treatment, you will be looking 20. I kid you not. With consistency, you will be looking 20. You begin to see your wrinkles fading away. You begin to see your face getting smoother. You begin to see all the blemishes on your skin, on your face begin to disappear. Okay, guys? So without much talk, let's get right into the kitchen. Let me show you how you can prepare the treatment that can help you get rid of wrinkles, smoothen your face, and give you that youthful glow. Okay, let's get right into it. So guys, to prepare the treatment, first you need a clean plate. After that, the first ingredient on our list is rice flour. Go ahead and get rice flour. Get about 2 teaspoons of it. If you don't have, you can make your own at home. It's easy to make. Just get two cups of rice or 1 cup of rice. Wash it. After washing it, sun dry it, then blend until smooth. After blending, you sieve it and there you get your rice flour. Okay, so add 2 teaspoons of it into the plate because it helps to is an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant substance that helps to prevent skin aging. It helps to reduce harmful effects of UV rays. It also helps to promote skin lightening. Yes, if you have oily skin, applying rice flour mask on your face will help to reduce the oil. It will help to unclog your pores. It will help, like if you use it to exfoliate your skin, it will help you unclog your pores and get rid of excessive oil on your face. Okay, so after that, the next thing is lemon. I went ahead and I squeezed 1 teaspoon of lemon into it. The next thing here is rose water. So rose water helps to soothe irritation and prevent redness. It also helps to reduce wrinkles. So go ahead and add about 5 to 6 teaspoons of it. Then once that is done, the next ingredient on our list here is the main deal, which is the natural yogurt. If you don't have natural yogurt, you can use fresh milk or powdered milk, okay? So but here I'll be using natural yogurt. This yogurt doesn't contain any sweetener. It's not sweet, okay? It's Greek's yogurt. Greek's yogurt is the company, is the make, but there are a lot in the market. It must not be Greek yogurt, but it must be natural yogurt, the one that doesn't contain sugar, okay? So we are using yogurt because yogurt is a natural ingredient that can work wonders for the skin. It contains lactic acid, which acts as a natural exfoliant and helps to remove dead skin cells. It also helps to brighten the skin by reducing the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentations, leaving the skin looking radiant and youthful. That is it, guys. Did you hear that? It leaves your skin radiant and youthful. So applying just yogurt on your face alone does wonders. Talk more of when you combine all these goodness. Okay, so the next one here is honey. I went ahead and I added about 1 teaspoon of honey into it. After that, you mix it very well, mix properly so that they will combine very well and it's ready to be used. So guys, here I have the treatment with me and I'll be showing you guys how to apply this. Okay, first of all, you have to wash your face, and after washing your face, you go ahead and get cotton wool. Get cotton wool or brush, anyone you have. For this treatment, guys, this treatment will help to give you smooth face. This treatment will help to give you that flawless look, that youthful glow. That's what this treatment will help. That's what this treatment will give to your skin. It will give you a healthy look. It will give you a youthful look. In fact, if you're looking 50 after trying this, you will be looking 20. Okay. So let's go ahead. Just get your cotton wool. Go ahead and take some amount of it. Apply it on your face. Oh my goodness, I love applying this. I love applying it. The way it feels on the face. Hey, the way it feels on the face is so nice. This is very good on the skin. If you have sunburn, this helps very well. This helps to treat sunburn too. It helps to reduce the irritation. It helps to, stop the burning, ease the burning, This helps a lot, guys. So go ahead and apply it all over your face. After applying it, you let it sit for 30 to 35 minutes, but it has to dry, okay? Once it dries, then you can go ahead and wash your face with lukewarm water. After washing your face with lukewarm water, you go ahead and apply your face cream or aloe vera gel on your face, or you can apply face moisturizer, but just make sure you don't leave your face dry after washing it, okay? Apply something on your face to help to lock in the goodness you just applied on your face, okay guys? So that is it. This is it. I will let it dry, and once it dries, I'll go ahead and wash it off with lukewarm water. Then I'm done. Try this treatment 3 times in a week with consistency. You will begin to see that youthful glow on your face. Your wrinkles will begin to fade away. Your face will begin to be smoother. In fact, you will notice the change. You will notice the changes within 1 month. Just be consistent with it. You will notice the change, guys. So that is it. For the remaining one, you can put in the fridge and use it within 3 days. After 3 days, discard it and prepare another one, okay? Because there is no preservative in it. So just use it within 3 days. After 3 days, discard it and prepare another one. It's easy to make, okay guys? So that is it. Please, if you watched to this point and you've not yet subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for now? Please hit the subscribe button down below and join the family. Comment, like, and share this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.